1、2、3。
Today we have two special guests again. Taiga's back again to do another challenge. We have Tatsuki Izumi-san. Izumi-san. Do you guys know what we're doing today?
No, we don't.
No? Today we're doing a natto taste test challenge. So
Okay.
they are going to be tasting each natto blindfolded and seeing if they can distinguish each of them. Okay, so for this challenge we have 6 nattos, and so the one on the left, the natto-ichi, right? The one on the very left, natto-ichi. This one is a typical natto style packaging. It's known to have less smell because natto is usually very stinky. So having less smell makes it more appealing to a lot of customers. Next one in the middle one, the red one is called Okame natto, uma aji maroyaka kombu dashi. This one also has a typical natto packaging. This one's different because it has a kombu dashi style sauce, which means it's seaweed based sauce. The right one, what's that one called?
Toromame.
Oh, it's called toromame. Usually you eat natto with rice, but this one, the company especially says that this one is very good with rice. The first 3 are typical natto packaging foods, but the next 3 are very weird ones. The next one is called Miyako Natto. Miyako Natto, and this one is from Hokkaido. It has a paper packaging because it's environmentally friendly.
Smells.
It smells.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because it's paper packaging.
Paper packaging.
Yeah, we still haven't opened it,
Yeah.
but we smell natto.
And then the next one is called Otsubu Natto. This one's different because it's from Kyoto and it's a little bit expensive. It's 168 yen. It has a weird packaging too. We never see this packaging in normal natto. And then the last one, this is the weirdest one. We have straw natto, wara natto. I think they're usually made by wrapping straw around the natto.
You know that? I didn't know that.
Almost every Japanese know that.
Almost every Japanese knows natto is made that way.
Okay. It's a shame.
We're gonna be eating these 6, and we're also going to show you guys how we make them. Depending on where you're from or what kind of family you're born in, natto is made differently. So let's start making it.
Wait!
Alright.
When you open the package, we have what?
Mustard.
Mustard.
Japanese mustard.
This is soy sauce. Wow, stinky.
How do you make it?
I firstly put this soy sauce into that. How about
Yeah.
karashi? I like karashi, but how do you think?
No, I put everything in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Put the karashi. Mix. Like this. Alright?
Alright, so extremely easy to make.
Yes.
Okay, so this one's different because there's a piece of plastic that goes on top. If you saw this one, you saw that these packages were inside the natto. This way, these packages don't get sticky. So this is how Izumi-san makes it.
Yeah, I mix it first.
And why do you think this makes a difference?
I don't know. But I saw it on TV that this was better.
Better.
Like, makes it better.
Better.
I usually eat it with milk.
You eat it with milk?
I put milk in
What?
natto.
Wow.
It's actually good. You guys need to try it.
You mix it up pretty good.
Yep.
And then you put in the kombu dashi. This one's
Yeah, kombu dashi, and you mix it 400 times.
400 times. Toromame.
So Toromame. This one also has a weird packaging as well.
Yeah, and here's the instruction to open that.
We saw the soy sauce package inside the natto, but let's open it once. He doesn't know how to open it.
I don't know. So,
He didn't know how to make natto.
yeah.
Plus, he
that's
doesn't know
true.
how to open it.
I got it. Oh.
Alright. So the soy sauce package is actually on the top.
Alright.
Yeah.
Right. It's on the lid. So if you
Just need to break it open.
Break it!
break it, there you
Oi!
go.
You wanna open this one?
Miyako natto.
Natto. Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Big!
Oh my god!
Wow!
Like some part of the beans are black.
Yeah, it looks like
Why is it black?
Why?
Okay, so this one doesn't have soy sauce. So and you have to add soy sauce by yourself. But in this blindfold challenge, we're not going to add any soy sauce to the other ones.
Done.
Done.
Fine.
Then we have the wada natto, the straw natto.
Whoa.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
a rubber band on each side.
Okay. It's
There
gonna
we
open.
go.
It's gonna open.
What?
Oh, it's wrapped.
Oh! It has soy sauce.
I don't wanna do this.
You're gonna get your hand dirty.
Oh my god. Okay.
Gold A.
Gold A.
Gold A!
Pretty
Bigger.
big.
Yeah, the biggest one. You hungry?
Okay, so these are the 6 nattos that we have today. This one is wada natto. This one is miyako natto. This one is otsubu natto. This one is maruyaku kombudashi. This one is toromame, and this one is natto-ichi. This one's natto-ichi. I want you to put on your blindfold. So for this challenge, we didn't add any soy sauce because we thought that that would make it easier for them to find the natto. So we're doing this blindfolded. I'm going to choose a natto for them to eat, and then that's the natto that they're going to try to distinguish. And then they're going to go around the nattos and try to find which one's the right one. Okay, so I'm shooting this video because I thought that I didn't explain the rules clearly. Basically, what they're trying to do is I'm gonna give them a natto, like a control natto that they're going to taste, and then after that they're going to eat all the nattos and see which one matches their control. So basically it's like a matching game to see which one they ate first. So this part of the natto video is basically them trying to remember what the texture or the taste of the natto is.
I'm kind of nervous now.
Okay,
Can I eat it now?
like this.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
got it? Go, go, go.
Can I?
Yep.
Alright. Did you eat it? I understand this taste.
Okay.
Yeah.
How is it?
I need a soy sauce.
Oh, you need a slice.
Yeah.
Is it okay to try again? It was actually good.
It was good?
Dude, I'm gonna forget the flavor.
Okay, okay. Wait.
I'm starting
Okay.
to lose
Okay.
it.
Alright, open your mouth.
Ah,
It's horrible. Your voice sounds like horrible.
it's so awkward.
Fine.
There you go.
Ah. Mmm.
Hmm?
Alright,
Alright.
you got it?
I think I feel more bitterness.
Bitterness, and obviously the bean is bigger,
Yeah.
right?
So you guys didn't
No.
eat this one. Okay,
Yeah,
Wrong
obviously.
so
It was easy.
alright, so you guys are correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Oh, okay.
can you guys guess what it is?
It's I guess it's otsubu.
Otsubu, yep.
Right?
You got it.
Yeah.
We're off with Taiga.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go, Tiger.
Mm. Mm.
Do you feel it? Do you feel the beans? Listen to the beans.
Listen to the voice of beans.
Mmm. Mmm. Interesting.
Mmm.
How is it?
It's difficult.
It's
But I feel the bit difference. Like the bean was softer, right? No.
Wait. I need to think.
Okay.
I still need more time.
I can make an assumption.
Actually, I don't know the difference between the natto ichi and the okame natto, the kombu seaweed one.
Yeah.
So I'm still not sure.
So you think it's one of those two?
Yeah.
Really?
Huh?
I guess it's tromame.
Was it?
Yeah,
Was it trauma?
because the bean was soft.
Was it trauma?
Right? We're confused. As you see.
I've had like millions of trauma in my
Oh, really?
life,
But can I rely on
but
you?
I'm not sure. Like, I'm not so confident.
Okay.
Maybe I should believe you this time.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a trauma, so it
This isn't
isn't
what we ate.
Okay. I'm not gonna say the answer.
Oh.
What does it mean?
I'm not gonna say the answer. We're gonna go through the whole thing.
Okay.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, sounds weird.
Yeah, smell the beans.
Let's feel the beans. Oh, this one's a big bite. Big bite. Ah.
You okay?
Hmm? Hmm?
All right. Ready? Open.
Okay.
Hmm? I got it.
How is it? How is it? What's?
It's a bit bigger.
It's a bit bigger.
Yeah.
What does it taste like? Does it taste different?
No.
It tastes different.
Oh, it does.
Totally different. This one's more like mild. I don't feel the bitterness
Really?
with this natto.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Like almost, well, no flavor. I feel no flavor.
No bitterness.
A little bit of mildness. Do you say mildness?
mildness.
Yeah. Yeah. This one's, I think, mild.
How about the size of the beans?
Yeah. The size? Extremely big.
Really big. So
Gigantic.
we know the answer.
Mhm.
Okay, so just say the name that you think
Okay.
it is.
It's
Miyako.
Miyako-mame.
Okay.
Correct?
I'm gonna say correct. Because
Yay!
correct for this one.
I thought it's gonna have like a different taste.
I got.
Okay. Mmm.
Okay, how's this one?
I feel a slight bitterness from the bean.
First of all, it's extremely small.
Yeah. But I think it's very similar to the first one.
Yeah, I feel the same way too.
Right?
It's very identical.
But we
Right.
have to make a judge right now, right? Before we eat the two.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I won't say. Actually, I won't say. Okay.
you won't say it's
No,
wrong.
actually, I'm not gonna say. Just say the name of the product that you think it is.
Okay.
And I won't say the answer until we do the whole thing. And then at the end, I'll tell you guys, or you judge which one it was.
Okay.
Which one do you think?
So this one's the fourth one.
Yeah.
First.
And I think you were right on the second natto.
Like
It's
toromame,
toromame.
right?
I think, yeah.
Yeah. So toromame is out of
Gone.
that. Yeah.
So
have
what we have is
natto
natto
ichi,
ichi,
kombu,
okame natto,
natto,
and
and
what was it? The wara natto.
wara natto. Wara natto is
Yeah, wara natto
should
is
be like more weird,
yeah.
right? So it should be natto ichi or okame-chan.
Mm-hmm.
Which one? That's very hard because we don't know how to distinguish those two.
Maybe
Okame-chan, natto ichi.
okame.
Alright, what do you think it is?
Okame-chan.
Natto.
And do you think that's the right one?
What do you think, Taiga?
I think yes.
Yes?
No, sorry, no.
No?
No. I think natto ichi is what we ate at first.
Hmm.
So it's wrong. It's
Okay.
not what we ate.
Okay,
Right?
I'm gonna go to the next one.
I don't feel any difference with the previous one. Bean is extremely small. It's not like a weird like unique taste. So it should be natto ichi, I think.
Are you serious?
No?
I don't think so. Because I feel the weird flavor that I've never tasted.
Really?
Yeah. Like, I don't know how you explain this flavor, but like the smell was totally different from what I know. So I think this one must be the what was it? Yeah, the natto wrapped in the straw.
Wow,
Straw
really?
natto.
Okay. I couldn't feel the difference, but I follow you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wara natto.
What a natto.
Natto.
Yes.
Okay.
What a
Okay, I'm not gonna say the answer again. Alright. Ready?
That sound. You feel something different? Oh.
Hey! This should be the. I feel like this is wara natto.
No. I feel familiar with this taste.
What?
Because I felt like the each bean
Hmm.
was very gathered. That's the wara natto's characteristic, I think. Is it natto ichi?
Well, I forgot the flavor.
But you know, we only option we have is natto ichi.
So this is natto ichi.
Yes, it should be natto ichi. We have to believe it. We can't change our answers.
Is this really natto ichi?
I don't feel so, but it's fine. It should be.
I want to just go through, review what you said.
Okay.
And so the first one, what did you say?
Otsubu.
First one, otsunato, which was correct.
Yes.
Okay, the second one.
Toromame.
Toromame.
So you guys both think it's toromame.
Yeah.
The third one.
Was the big one, right? So
Ah,
the
Miyako.
The fourth one.
Okame-chan.
Okay, you thought it was okame natto. The fifth one.
must be the straw natto. Wara natto.
So you think it's wara natto?
It's wara natto.
Yeah.
And then the last one.
Last one is natto ichi.
Natto ichi. 4 correct.
Whoa!
Wow, we did a good job.
So-
So we just made one mistake, like,
Yeah.
right?
I want you to
It's
talk
Okay.
and think about which one was the one that you ate the first. So the first natto you ate.
The second one is the toro natto, so
Yeah.
can't be the one we ate, so, right?
Mhm.
So it must be the.
So you, Taiga, you said that the first one you thought it was natto ichi.
Natto ichi. Yeah. what are you doing?
So if you think it's natto ichi, then maybe the last one.
Yeah.
Natto ichi.
Dasan.
Natto ichi.
So,
Izumi-san.
Natto ichi.
natto ichi, right?
Was it really
We made a
natto ichi?
conclusion.
Was it? Well,
Doubtful.
it was very small, right? The beans,
Yeah.
and it was not just small, but was like cut. Like it wasn't circle, I think. It was like it had an angle, I think.
Oh.
So nattos with like those angles that were cut in small pieces were, I think, okame natto
Oh.
and the natto ichi. So it has to be one of these.
So you think it's either okame natto or natto ichi?
Yeah. And maybe
Let's say natto ichi.
natto ichi.
Yeah.
Let's go with natto ichi then.
Natto ichi.
So final answer. 3, 2, 1.
Natto ichi.
Natto ichi.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Calm down.
Yes.
Kaibon, calm down. So I don't get slapped.
Oh! I've never slapped by my father.
That's why I told you it was okame natto.
But we don't know it's
Was okame natto.
okame natto or not, right? So we were wrong.
Alright. So yeah. So it is not natto ichi.
Yeah. It should be okame-chan, as Tatsuki says.
Yes.
What's that?
It's okame natto.
Okame natto.
Alright. So final answer.
Wait.
Wait.
Are we gonna get some more punishment?
Yes,
if-
of course.
Oh, shoot, we have to. We're gonna get punishment.
No, because it's okame natto.
Oh, you're
We
confident.
won't get punishment anymore.
Okay.
Because it's
I follow you. All right.
Final answer?
I'll decide.
Final answer. It is okame
Okame-chan.
natto.
Okame natto. Quick. What are you doing? Where did you go? Hey! What are you doing?
It's correct.
I got thirsty.
You got thirsty.
Yeah.
Okay, just drink this.
Oh, what's this?
Namacha. Rich green tea.
Okay. So, rich green tea means namacha, right?
No.
No. Okay.